How to program the date and time on the Sharp XE-A102 Cash Register. First of all, turn the metal key round to the Z PGM position. Then enter the date in a 6-digit format. So for example, for the 31st of January 2012, you would enter 310112. Confirm this by pressing the subtotal button. Then to enter the time, type in the time in a 4-digit format. So for example, for 10:30, type in 1030 and then press the subtotal button again and press the subtotal button again to confirm the programming. This will then print out the complete program of the till.